Hi all, my name is Sreehari Vishnu. Today I'm going to be making French onion chicken soup. The soup is originated in Paris, France in the 18th century. The soup is popular in the Western world. It is served as an entree in the French cuisine. So let's get started. The required ingredients to make this soup are shredded chicken, chopped onions, sandwich bread, butter, stewed chicken stock, mozzarella cheese, flour, salt and pepper. Heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter into it. Then add the chopped onions into it. And stir well until it becomes translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of flour into it and mix well. Then gradually add the chicken stock into it and mix well. Now add pepper and mix well. Now we have to add the shredded chicken. Wait for 2 minutes until the soup comes into a boiling point. The soup is ready. Let's pour it into a serving bowl. Finally, we have to garnish this soup with mozzarella cheese and bread cubes. Now the soup is ready to serve. Thank you.